A cockroach can live for weeks without its head, navigating life through sheer resilience and nerve impulses. This creepy critter's secret lies in its open circulatory system and low blood pressure, allowing it to survive decapitation without bleeding out. While the headless body continues its zombie-like existence, the cockroach's brain isn't in charge of breathing, as tiny holes in its body supply oxygen directly to its tissues. Its only downfall? The inability to drink water, eventually leading to dehydration. So, next time you think you've squashed one for good, reconsider the roach's uncanny ability to defy death and scuttle on, a testament to nature's bizarre ingenuity.